Hi guys, welcome to How to Solutions YouTube channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can hide apps on Android phone. Before getting into this video, must subscribe to our YouTube channel and click on the bell icon. So this is the inbuilt feature of on any smartphone, on any Android. So you simply need to long press on the home screen and then you need to click on the menu, and here you need to scroll, and here you can see the hide apps. Click on that option and then you need to enter your password. So I'm going to enter my password, and then you need to click on the plus icon, and here you can find different apps. So let me select any random app and click on confirm. So now you can see that I hide this app. So this is a process that you need to follow on your smartphone to hide any app. You can hide any app from according to your choice. So this is the simple process by which you can hide any app in your smartphone. I hope you find this video helpful. If you find this video helpful, must like this video, subscribe to our YouTube channel for future videos. We'll see you in the next video. Thank you. Have a good day.